This video demonstrates how to use the Snooze mode sequencer of RL78 G23 to build a power supply monitoring system in E-Square Studio. There are 3 videos. This video shows part 2, configure the project. In Smart Configurator, select the System tab. Configure the on-chip debug operation and security ID authentication failure. Leave other fields as default. Select the Clock tab. Configure the operation mode. Configure the EVDD setting. Configure the FSXP to 32.768 kHz. In Components pane, select Config SMS. Click Update SMS data files to get the latest SMS data files. Click the eye icon to check SMS data file package information. Click Import Sequence Setting. In the pop-up window, select AD Sequence, and click OK. Select Unused Blocks, and press Delete button on the keyboard. Drag the 2-byte transfer block from the left panel to the sequence between Start and AD Start blocks. Drag Branch End onto Wake Up to create Compare and Finish blocks. Drag AD Change Channel to place it before AD Start. Drag AD Change Channel to place it after AD End. Drag Update and Branch next to AD Get Voltage. Drag the AD Get Voltage block inside the update loop. Next, we will add the following variables, using the data management function of SMS module. Click on Data Management button to open the dialog. Click minus button to remove the existing data. Click plus button to add the data in the table. Click OK after adding all the variables. Double-click 2-byte transfer. Set transfer source address. Set the transfer target variable. Double-click ANI0 specify channel and change the channel to internal reference voltage. Double-click AD Get Voltage and assign Get Data variable. Double-click Update. Configure the target value, update formula, comparison value, and comparison formula. Double-click Compare. Configure the target value, comparison value, and comparison formula. Select Config INTC and enable INTP0. Select Config LVD0 and configure the reset generation level. Select Config Port and enable Port 5. Select Port 5 tab. Change Port 5 to Out and tick on Output 1 checkbox. Do the same for Port 5 3. Select the Config ITL0 ITL1 component. Configure operation clock, clock source, interval value, and disable interrupt. Select Config TAU07. Set the interval value to 1 millisecond. Change priority to level 2. Select Config ADC. Configure the resolution setting, operation mode, conversion time, disable AD interrupt. After completing all the desired configurations, save the Smart Configurator setting and click Generate Code button. In the Confirm Linker option change window, click OK. Smart Configurator will generate SMS program from the SMS processing blocks.